This house appears to be closed off by bricks, but it is precisely through these voids that it breathes. This is Nhà Bè House, designed by Tropical Space in Phu Xuan, Vietnam. The house was designed for 4 middle-aged women and their mother. The idea was to create a place where they could live together again, care for their mother, and rebuild a family routine connected to childhood memories. It is located in a peripheral area of Ho Chi Minh, near an irrigation canal and a strip of vegetation. This context is important. The water, the trees, and the humidity of the place create a cooler microclimate, and the house tries to take advantage of that condition instead of simply closing itself off from it. The house has about 432 square meters. The lot is long, and the design could easily have become a long, dark box, but the solution was different: to create layers of brick, garden, void, and ventilation so the house could remain open to the climate without losing privacy. The material that most defines the house is exposed ceramic brick, but it does not appear only as a finish. The main structure is made of reinforced concrete with concrete slabs, while the external envelope uses perforated bricks in different shades of orange. This layer creates the image of the house and at the same time controls light, wind, and privacy. The facade works like a porous skin. It protects against the strong sun, reduces the excess of direct light, and prevents the house from being fully exposed to the street. At the same time, it allows air to pass through. The house does not need to choose between opening everything or closing everything. It works with a filter. This solution works well for the climate. Light does not enter in a direct and aggressive way. It passes through the voids in the brick, arrives filtered, and creates shadows throughout the day. But there is a price. The rooms become darker. The house gains privacy and protection against the heat, but it does not have the intense brightness of a fully open house. The more shared spaces are on the ground floor. Living, reading, kitchen, and dining areas connect to the front and rear gardens. The mother's bedroom is also on the ground floor. This choice is simple but very practical. It avoids stairs, makes daily care easier, and brings the bedroom closer to the common spaces. Ventilation also comes from this porosity. The wind coming from the canal area passes through the facade, enters the interior spaces, and meets the central void of the house. Warm air rises and escapes through the upper part, helping to keep the rooms more comfortable in a natural way. At the center of the house, there is a large void with plants. This space works as the heart of the house. It connects the floors, brings light inside, and prevents the long plan from feeling too heavy. Around it, the circulation forms a kind of square corridor, always visually connected to the internal garden. This void is also a space for gathering. The staircase passes through it, the paths cross there, and the house becomes more than just a sequence of rooms. It creates a shared center where people see each other, meet each other, and remain connected even on different floors. The materiality is quite direct: reinforced concrete in the structure, concrete slabs, exposed ceramic bricks, perforated walls. Above, under the sloped roof, there is an attic used as a space for worship and ancestor veneration, incorporating memory, family rituals, and continuity between generations. The attic works as a transitional zone, while ventilation helps warm air rise and leave through the highest part of the house. On the upper floor are the 4 daughters' bedrooms. They are organized in a balanced way, each with its own bathroom, creating privacy without breaking the unity of the house. Each person has their own space, but everyone remains connected by the central void, the gardens, and the shared circulation. The strongest point of Nhà Bè House is precisely this use of brick as a system. It is not there only to create a beautiful image. It filters the sun, lets wind pass through, creates privacy, and gives unity to the design. It is material, facade, climate, and atmosphere all at once. At the same time, this solution also requires care. A perforated brick skin can accumulate dust, humidity, and dirt over time, especially in a tropical climate. So the beauty of this facade also depends on maintenance. This is a point worth questioning, because not every porous solution works well if it is treated only as aesthetics. Still, the main idea of Nhà Bè House is very clear. It does not try to create comfort with a closed box, isolated from the climate. It does the opposite. It uses porosity, shade, garden, and air circulation to build a house that is more open, slower, and connected to family life. Nhà Bè House is a house about return, back to family, to memory, to living together, and to a way of living that better accepts the tropical climate. A house that appears to be closed off by bricks, but uses exactly those bricks to breathe.